Tokenmaxxing is the new challenge for the organizations. AI work slop is real. Mark Zuckerberg is reportedly making its new AI twin. These are some of the headlines over the weekend. Good morning. Welcome to my channel. I am Sagar, founder of Nimap Infotech. I bring to you the latest in AI and tech news. The tokenmaxing crisis and skyrocketing compute bills at major tech companies like Meta and OpenAI are an expensive new status game which has emerged amongst the software engineers. Dubbed token maxing, employees are now competing on internal leaderboards to consume the most AI compute tokens as a way to prove to improve their productivity. This trend of running complex multi-step autonomous agents has led to individual users racking up the API bills to over 150,000 dollar per month, creating a sudden crisis around internal AI and budget governance. Directly addressing the token maxing and the budget crisis, which we have discussed, the open source market is rushing to build AI guardrails. Galileo just launched an open source governance layer called Agent Control. This establishes universal safety standards and operational boundaries for AI agents working within the corporate networks. As your company shifts from simple chatbots to autonomous agents that execute code and interact with APIs, adopting an agent control layer is now mandatory security requirement but not an optional upgrade for the organizations. A Meta AI agent accidentally caused a sensitive data exposure internally. AI suggested a fix to an engineer followed it, which resulted in a data exposure for hours. We are entering a dangerous phase. AI is now writing the production decisions, which is not good. It has to be validated by a human. Meta CEO Mark Zuckerberg is now building an AI agent that helps him to do his own job. His goal is to flatten organization plus accelerate execution. He is inspired by the idea that AI can now run companies. This is the first real attempt at AI replacing leadership workflows. Think about it. Strategy memos prepared by AI, decision inputs prepared by AI, execution tracking done by AI. CTOs are no longer just building systems, they are now competing with systems that can manage systems. If you don't have AI governance, guardrails, and observability, then your AI stack will become a liability, not an advantage. Think about it. Now, going to the next news, OpenAI is aggressively shifting its focus towards enterprise deployment. It has announced to expand its team in 2026 from nearly 4,500 engineers to over 8,000 engineers. The massive hiring surge is heavily focused on enterprise sales to help businesses actually integrate their tools. Now, another news from China related to AI. Xiaomi triggers and price war with an $8.7 billion push over the weekend. Xiaomi released a trio of MIMO AI models built specifically for autonomous agents and robotics, completely shaking up the market. They are committing nearly $9 billion to AI over the next 3 years. And the cherry on the cake is they are pricing their API at just $1 per million tokens while matching the reasoning capabilities of the top Western AI models like Claude Opus or Agentic coding task like OpenAI Codex. AI workflow is now real. AI is moving from simple chatbots to execution and coding. Why should CTO should worry? Because AI is generating low quality code which is not production ready. It looks like the output is correct, but actually it's not usable in production. It's not obvious junk. It's convincing, plausible, but flawed output that passes a quick glance, fails under real world conditions, requires a significant human corrections. You are getting the output which is 70% correct and 20 to 30% not correct. But when deployed in production, it fails. The 20% is where the production breaks. At Nimap Infotech, we have 5 key suggestions for CTOs. Treat AI output as untrusted input, just like any other user input. Never assume correctness, always validate. Second, build AI guardrails. AI guardrails are now non negotiable. You need code validation pipelines, security scanning for AI output, policy checks before deployment, human approval layers for critical actions. Third, introduce observability. Track what is AI generated, what decisions AI has influenced, what is going wrong. You need to log what AI is thinking, not only the system logs. Limit autonomy for now. Since in 2026, yet AI is doing a lot of blunder. Don't let AI directly pushed for production. Run critical workflows independently. Move in phases. Phase 1, use just as an assistance. Second, use for suggestion. And third, when you are confident, then you can use as semi autonomous with high guardrails in place. Also, we would recommend to invest highly in AI literacy for engineers. Your team must know when AI is wrong, how to prompt properly, how to validate outputs which are generated by AI. Otherwise, you will scale mediocrity tech. One important takeaway I would like to give to all the CTOs today: AI doesn't reduce engineering effort, it shifts from creating to validating. Finally, I would like to give a blunt truth. If AI is not managed well, it will not enhance your productivity 10x. It will enhance your technical debt by 10x. Thank you. That's it for today. For more news, follow the channel, subscribe, and click on the bell icon. If any one of you has made any mistake or shipped any code to production without AI guardrails, then please comment so that others can learn from it. Thank you.